एक और बेहद अहम खबर, अच्छी खबर, ओलंपिक्स की मेज़बानी के लिए हिंदुस्तान ने पहल शुरू कर दी है। आइंदा साल इंटरनेशनल ओलंपिक इवेंट की मेज़बानी के लिए लगने वाली बोली हिंदुस्तान ने जीत ली है। आईओसी की मेंबर नीता अंबानी ने इस पेशरफ्त को एक एजाज़ करार दिया। उन्होंने कहा कि पूरे 4 दशकों बाद हिंदुस्तान को इंटरनेशनल ओलंपिक इवेंट की मेज़बानी करने का मौका मिला है। आईओसी पैनल ने मुल्क में खेलों को फ़रोग़ देने के सिलसिले में अपनी मुफीद तजावीज़ पेश की हैं।
You brought the technicians, you taught them how to do it, and now you have...
Just like the one we share with you, my dear friends and respected members of the IOC. We take immense pride in the resilient spirit of India that has risen to produce and export millions of vaccines to several countries across the world and administering over 1.5 billion vaccines throughout the country. Throughout the pandemic, sport has been a source of hope, joy, entertainment and motivation to the people around the world. As we enter the post-pandemic world with optimism, sport will continue to inspire us and lead us with its invaluable life lessons. With one foot rooted in our cultural traditions and the other leaping up to embrace modernity, India's next generation is brimming with a billion hopes and dreams, driven by the potential and the power of creative energy. I truly believe India is on the verge of creating something very special with the Olympic movement. Together with you, we want to open the doors of opportunity to millions of young Indians. It is time to write the future of sport and ignite our potential with the spirit of Olympism. India is a melting pot of multiple cultures and incredible experiences. A country that has inspired millions of travelers over centuries to come back time and again. India is a journey you can't complete in one lifetime. With great joy, I invite you to begin your journey to incredible India.